Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Chiikawa, so let's get started. To draw this cute little thing, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Since this is a Draw So Cute Chiikawa, I'm making the eyes a bit bigger than the original so that I can put circles inside for highlights. Okay, so now that my eyes, the circle's in, I'm going to come inside and draw two small circles for highlights. The original is just one bigger one, and then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to add a curve, and then lines at the bottom, and shade in the top. So it's very similar to my Draw So Cute eyes, I guess. It just doesn't have the lines at the bottom, and I have two highlights, not just one. And so same thing over here. It's just this way I get to put some color in Chiikawa's eyes. Okay, so now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a curve right over each eye. And then in between the eyes, let's draw the nose and mouth. So we're going to come about right here. And I'm just going to thicken this part up a little bit more. And then come down with a line and then curve out. And cap it off. So same thing here. And cap it off. So it's very subtle, but just want to make it a little bit thicker right here for the nose. Then on the bottom of this, we're just going to draw a soft, small curve to make it extra cute. Then from there, we need to frame the, oh, actually, you know what, I forgot. We need to draw the cheeks. So right about here, the little blush area. So I'm just going to draw 4 slanted lines right about here. And same thing on the other side. I guess they go the same way. So right about here. 2, 3, and 4. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and then frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top, and it's a nice, there's a lot of space in between. So around the eyes, I mean. So let's say about right here, I'm going to come to the edge of my eye and come up. And let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve for the top of the head right over to the other side of the eye. Right over the eyes. Then from there, we're just going to draw these cute little ears. Pop them up. So same thing here. And now we're going to go around. So just imagine this is coming through. Just going to go around the eye. And same thing here. So let's keep going. Let's bring this in. About there, and then same thing here. Okay, so now that we have this big head in, bring this in a little bit more. So we're about the same level. Then we're going to draw the little hands. So right about here, we're just going to pop in this curve and in. So same thing on this side, about right here, just like the other side, and in. And then for the body, we're just going to come about right here and draw a curve. Curve, and then about here we're just going to draw these little feet. So there's another curve, and then we're just going to go right across, and then over here draw another foot and connect everything. There. And let's see, and of course I need to add a heart, so I will put it well, let's just do it right here so it's not too apparent. To make this my Drawsuku Chiikawa, this cute little thing. And so now that I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly color it for you since it's nice and simple. So first thing I'll do is just color the eyes. This way I get to put some color in Chiikawa's eyes. And I always tend to make it blue. And then for the cheeks, the blush area, just draw an oval around it. And fill it in. So same thing here. There, that adds a lot to it, right? And if you like, you don't have to. The original is just plain white, but if you want to add a little bit more depth to it, you can come in with like a light gray marker. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not even sure if you can see it, pick it up on the camera. But just here and there, you can just add a little bit of a shadow. And it might just help pop out your drawing a little bit. But very, very subtle. I don't want to mess it up too much, but there, and maybe a little bit right here. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw and color Chiikawa here fun and simple today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Drawsuku videos. See you later.